What's up everybody, my name is Emma and welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to introduce you to your probably newest best friend. It's called the Financial Freedom Snowball Method. Well, you're probably hearing this term for the first time, but stick around, let me explain. If you grew up around snow or watch Christmas movies, you will know that the fastest way to build a snowball is to pack some snow into a tight ball and start rolling it around your yard. As you gain momentum and speed, your snowball grows bigger and bigger into a snow boulder. So why in the world are we talking about snowball now? Because this is a technique you can use to reach financial freedom in no time. This is pretty much similar to the debt snowball method. So what is the debt snowball? This is where you pay off your debt in order of smallest to largest and gaining momentum as you knock off each remaining balance. So here's how the debt snowball method works in 4 steps. Number 1, you list your debts from smallest to largest regardless of interest rate. Step 2, make the minimum payment on all your debts except the smallest one. Pay as much as possible on your smallest debt. Step 4, repeat until debt is paid off. Now, do you see where I'm going with this? Well, the Financial Freedom Snowball Method is no different. You now will be listing your monthly expenses from smallest to largest, and you're going to be acquiring assets to pay them off in that order. Oftentimes, when one talk about financial freedom, they are thinking, oh, I need millions of dollars. Get frustrated and quit pursuing their freedom. So let's take a look at a real life scenario. The values that I'll be using are based on average payments in the United States. So do the necessary calculations for yourself and apply the method. So we have internet bill at $67.17, water at $67.94, electricity at $117.65, grocery at $345, and rent at $1,124. Depending on the country you live in, these values might be different and your lowest bill may be different from the internet bill. Let's get right into the Financial Freedom Snowball Method and see how it works. So based on what you have outlined, you're going to be investing in an asset that will be generating a cash flow that will be able to pay off your lowest bill monthly. In this case, it would be the internet bill. You will be making regular monthly investment just like you're paying down debt, and over time the cash flow generated from this asset will be able to cover your internet bill. Now, once you have knocked off your lowest monthly bill, then you're going to move on to the next and repeat the process. Now, once the cash flow that is generated can cover your internet bill, you're not going to actually use it and pay the internet bill. You're going to now use that money and put towards the next one in line, which would be the water bill. So you are reinvesting your dividends, and in no time your passive income will be greater than your monthly expense, and this is what is called true financial freedom. As you can see, the lower your monthly expenses, the easier it will be for you to clear each expense. With hard work, discipline, dedication and sacrifice, it's more than achievable. Throwing extra money into the Financial Freedom Snowball Method and staying focused on your goal will definitely ensure you'll be financially free in no time. Isn't that amazing? Thank you for watching. If you have made it this far, don't forget to subscribe if you have not, and also hit the thumbs up button so YouTube can show this video to many more people. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.